Hello everyone, welcome to my legal friend. So, the MP High Court has issued this notification regarding the test centers. You can check your allotted state and the test center for the examination by logging in your application form through the credentials that were made available to you on your registered mobile number and the email ID. So, by using that username and password, you can access your application forms and check the test center allotted to you and the state which has been allotted. Okay. Now, if you want to change your state preference, then you are allowed to do so from 25th of Feb 11 a.m. onwards till 28th of Feb 6 p.m. After that, no plea, no request for change of state will be entertained. So they have clearly mentioned that if the candidate does not avail the facility, it shall be presumed that she is satisfied with state allotted to him or her by the service provider, and after lapse of above period, that is from 25th of Feb to 28th of Feb, no request regarding change of state shall be entertained. So if you want to change your state, then do that within this 4-day period. Okay. Now also they have made it clear that the allotment will be made as per the availability of the nodes, and that would be final, and that final allotment will be issued at the time of displaying of the admit card. Okay. Now here they have mentioned the state name, and these are the merged states. So these are the states for which the center will be in Bihar or Chhattisgarh, like for Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Tripura, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha. The merged state is Bihar, and all these state candidates will have to come to Bihar or Chhattisgarh. That too in the city Patna or Raipur, that is the capital of the respective states, for the examination. Okay. Similar is the case for other states. Like for Uttar Pradesh, they have made these 6 centers. They have allotted these 6 centers for these state and the UT. They are conducting the exam in Maharashtra. So you can check this notification on the MP High Court website. Also, I'll mention the link in the description box below so that you can check your allotted test centers. Okay. So yeah, that's it, and all the best, and thank you for watching this video.